Friends, leading FMCG company Mrs. Bector Food Specialities Limited is going to enter the IPO market on 15 December. Mrs. Bector is one of the leading companies in non-glucose biscuits and premium breads segment in North India, with products sold under its well-recognized brands Mrs. Bector's Cremica and English Oven. The company manufactures and markets the range of products such as biscuits, breads, and buns, catering primarily to retail consumers in 11 states within India, as well as to reputed institutional customers pan-India. It is also a leading exporter of biscuits from India, and it exported biscuits under its brand as well as under third-party private labels to 61 countries in the current year. It markets a wide variety of biscuits under its flagship brand Mrs. Bector's Cremica, which is one of the leading non-glucose biscuits brands in North India. The company manufactures and markets breads under the English Oven brand, which currently caters to the premium segment in New Delhi capital region and Maharashtra. According to the Technopack report, English Oven is one of the largest players in premium bread brand in New Delhi capital region, supplying approximately 1.20 lakh loaves per day. The Mrs. Bector's is one of the largest supplier of buns in India to reputed QSR chains such as Hardcastle Restaurants and Burger King India. All its products are manufactured in-house at its 6 strategically located manufacturing facilities, which enables it to have effective control over the manufacturing process and to ensure consistent quality of its products. The company has recently started manufacturing frozen products such as frozen pizzas, croissants, and muffins to hotels, restaurants, and cafes. Its diversified product portfolio consists of 542 SKUs of products across all its product segments. It has undertaken 4 new product launches recently. All 6 manufacturing facilities are located in Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Greater Noida, Maharashtra, and Karnataka, which are strategically located in proximity to its target markets. One more significant aspect: the company received all major quality certification and accreditation from Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Its biscuit manufacturing facility situated in Punjab has been awarded certification from US Food and Drugs Administration. The company has also received British Retail Consortium certifying global standard for food safety for manufacturing of sweet and semi-sweet cookies, crackers, and biscuits, and halal certification for manufacturing biscuits. The company has strong distribution network in India and globally. It distributed its biscuits across 11 states through its widespread network of 135 super stockists and 570 distributors. The company has entered into an arrangement with certain preferred retail outlets which enhance brand visibility. It has network of more than 1271 preferred outlets. The company has distribution tie-up with reputed retail chains in India. Mrs. Bector's is one of the largest supplier of biscuits to canteen stores. It also exported its biscuits to 61 countries. The company was founded by Mrs. Rajni Bector, and its recipes are inspired by original recipes created by its founder. The day-to-day management of the company is managed by Anup Bector, who has over 23 years of industry experience. Mr. Ishan Bector, full-time director of the company, heads its breads business. The IPO opens on 15 December and closes on 17 December 2020. This is book-built IPO of Rs 500 crores, which consists of fresh issue of Rs 50 crore and offer for sale of Rs 450 crore. Shares are offered in the price band of Rs 286 to 288. Minimum order quantity is of 50 shares. The listing will be at BSE and NSE, and the listing is expected on 29 December 2020. Now let's discuss the financials of the company. During the year 2019-20, the company has earning per share of Rs 5.31. Based on first 6 months performance, annualized earning per share comes to Rs 13.58 in the year 2020-21. Book value of the share as on 30th September 2020 is Rs 62.47. Based on current year annualized earning per share of rupees 13.58, the upper price band to our last EPS comes to 21.20, which clearly suggests that IPO is very attractively priced. Let's discuss grey market trend. At present, the grey market premium is around rupees 195 to 200. Subject to rates are rupees 8,000 and fixed application rates are rupees 450. Based on various parameters, I strongly suggest to apply in this IPO for long-term investment growth. Thanks.